Does it feel like work never ends? Emails, tasks, deadlines, and somehow there's never enough time. What if I told you AI can save you hours every single week?
Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you think, write, and research anytime, anywhere. At work, AI copilots are already creating documents, charts, and reports in minutes, not hours. Meetings don't need to drain your energy anymore. AI listens, writes notes, and summarizes everything. That's why students, professionals, and freelancers are using AI to study smarter and work faster.
For students, AI is becoming a daily study partner, helping them focus, learn, and stay organized. Instead of rushing to take notes, AI can listen to lectures and turn them into clear, structured summaries. It can even organize assignments, deadlines, and schedules, so nothing important gets missed. And when it's time to write, AI helps draft ideas faster without replacing your thinking.
Now let's look at the real AI tools professionals are using to manage daily work. For example, Microsoft Copilot can draft emails and documents, saving hours every week. Tools like Google Gemini can organize meetings, update schedules, and manage calendars automatically. The result is less chaos, better focus, and more time for meaningful work.
For working professionals or freelancers, managing clients, deadlines, and communication can quickly become overwhelming. Microsoft Copilot helps by drafting clear, professional client emails, so responses are fast and stress-free. Google Gemini can handle scheduling too, automatically setting up meetings and managing calendars. And Otter.ai summarizes client calls, highlighting action items, so nothing important gets missed.
These AI tools save time every day. Subscribe for smarter work with AI.